What's up, folks? I want to give you an update on my DWS780 miter saw with the rigid miter saw stand. This thing is absolutely awesome. So I'm building these flower pedestals right now. You guys can see them over there. A couple layers of MDF board that I'm just cutting over here on some sawhorses and stuff. And then I'm cutting all the trim and then basically all the trim pieces with the MDF board as well with the miter saw. And I'm about halfway through on the next one. This setup, without a doubt, is fantastic for trim. And what I wanted to say is that I know the DWS780 is extra with the light here that gives you your cut line, as you guys can see. See how it shines that cut line right there? 100% worth it. The amount of accuracy that I'm able to get with that cut line. I mean, I can shave literally half a blade's length, if not a quarter of a blade's length, or blade width rather, with that light. It is unbelievably accurate, and it's really, really nice. So without a doubt, the 780 is worth the extra money. I know it's like an extra 150 bucks, but there's no way I would save that 150 bucks. After really using this for a while, the light is fantastic. And this stand has been nothing short of fantastic as well. Super cheap, got it on sale, and the fact that I can just load this thing up and pull it in and out of the shop multiple times has been great, because I've been doing different projects into the night, and then just being able to fold it up really quick and shove it back in the shop has been great. So really loving this setup. I wouldn't change a damn thing if I was to do it all over again. I just wanted to give you guys kind of my update on why I like this thing so much. So I'll have a link to the saw and the stand down in the video description if you guys are wanting to reference these specific models. The saw, you have to make sure you get the DWS780 if you want the cut light, as you guys can see there. You have to get the DWS780. I bought this on Amazon, so I'll post a link down below. And with the stand, you have to get the new rigid stand. The older one has the smaller wheels. The bigger wheels are really nice, and that's the one that I'm using and the one that was on sale. And like I said, really like it. So I hope this video was helpful. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks.